Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Hair. Today I'm going to show you how I make that DIY shampoo that can promote your hair growth and give your hair strength. I'm so excited to make that video, guys, because I cannot wait to use those Ayurvedic herbs on my girls' hair and my boys' hair and also my hair as well. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and do so. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much if you already do. Now, what I'm showing you is called amla, dry amla or Indian gooseberry. Amla can purify the blood circulation and enhance hair natural color by preventing premature graying of the hair. It also antifungal and antiviral properties with preventing dandruff and other fungal infection and improve scalp health. Amla contains a host of essential fatty acid that can penetrate into the hair follicles and make the hair soft and shinier. It also stimulates hair, reducing hair loss and reducing premature graying, pigmentation loss from the hair. Amla has so many benefits that can strengthen your hair and boosting your hair growth. This is Rita. Rita is known for promoting hair growth. The anti-inflammatory properties presenting in it can soothe the scalp by getting rid of itchiness, irritation. Rita has a powerful cleansing effect on the hair and scalp. Washing your hair with Rita can leave your hair soft and shiny. Right now we're going to talk about shikakai. Shikakai has truly earned the reputation by being the food for the hair. Just like Rita, shikakai is an excellent cleanser which removes oil from your scalp without stripping off the natural oil. Science proves that shikakai has excellent antioxidant properties that can prevent damage from the hair and also can make your hair more manageable. Now we're going to talk about hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers can protect your scalp from external damage, delay premature graying of the hair, preventing dandruff, can also deeply condition your hair. Right now I'm going to add everything. Oh, if you see that thing on the bowl right there, everything already washed. I don't know what happened to the little clip I adding where I wash everything, but all the herbs already washed. Of course, I'm not gonna wash the hibiscus flowers, and also I'm not going to wash the fenugreek seed. Now I'm going to add some fenugreek seed into that mixture, so we can mix all those 5 ingredients together to make the hair shampoo, the DIY hair shampoo that can boost your hair growth. Now let's talk a little bit about fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of iron and protein. Those two essential nutrients can promote your hair growth. They also unique composition of plant compound including flavonoid, saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to the anti-inflammatory properties, antifungal effect. That's in the fenugreek. Fenugreek can prevent hair loss. Fenugreek contains emollient that can condition and moisturize your scalp. Now I'm going to add that fenugreek into the bowl with all the other ingredients together. We're gonna mix them and leave them for overnight. Let them soak for overnight for about I let them stay for about 12 hours. After 12 hours, I'm going to add that in a pot. We're gonna let that boil for like 30 to 45 minutes. let it simmer and let it cool down so we can process with the shampoo. Right now, all the process, we're not done with the process. We're going to add some mixture into the blender and blend them, and we're going to strain them and get all the good juice in there. Get all the shampoo out. So I added some more water because it was not easy to get all the good stuff out. So I have to add some more water. If you're making that mixture, don't worry about adding some more water because it's gonna still work as well. It's just like it's my first time. I was a little bit worried because I don't know if it was gonna work like it's supposed to, but it's okay. I started using that cheesecloth, guys. It was a struggle, so I'm going to switch over with a so this is way better than the cheesecloth. Now that's what I'm gonna use now, and I'm gonna show you inside. I cannot squeeze like I'm supposed to, so I don't want to lose all the good stuff in there. I'm going to switch over to another strainer. I feel like this is more easier. This is more like comfortable to do than squeezing, you know. You cannot find the juice like you're supposed to. This is gonna be the process. After I've finished doing this, guys, I'm showing you now. I'll be right back. Guys, look how beautiful that look like. I like the color. So after we finish doing this, I'm going to transfer this shampoo into a bottle. You want to know what bottle that I'm using? I was looking for a clear bottle. I couldn't find one, so I find that bottle with ketchup. Don't come for me. I find that bottle with ketchup, so I take all the sticker out and use the bottle so you can see the color from the shampoo. Now I'm adding some shampoo into that thing so I can freeze it, so I can put it in that freezer. You can freeze your shampoo if you're not gonna use them once. If you can, to preserve your shampoo, you can add it into the freezer. You freeze them, and that's it. That's about it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in my daughter hair and how her hair look like. If you want to know if I'm going to continue using that shampoo, absolutely. I want to continue using that shampoo in my hair and my children's hair. And also, I'm going to use those herbs to make oil for hair growth. The hair is washed, the hair is shiny. Thank you all guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all. I love you guys.